Hello children, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I hope you all are doing well. So children, in the previous session in literacy skill book, we have learnt about making of pairs. Okay, so take your literacy skill book and come to page number 6060. Okay, I hope you have opened page number 6060. Yes, making pairs. So children, in the previous session we have learned this. Some things always go together. These are the things that always goes together. Like example, this is table and chair, table and chair, bread and butter, salt and pepper, key, lock and key, pen and paper, paper and pen, fork and spoon, shirt and pants, shirt and pants. Okay, so these are the pair which we have learnt in the previous session. Now children, come to page number 6161. Come to page number 6161. Okay, match the pictures that go together. Here one worksheet is there which we are going to solve. Okay, now take your pencil. Yes, making pairs. Match the pictures that go together. Repeat after teacher. M-A-K-I-N-G, making. P-A-I-R-S, pairs. M-A-K-I-N-G, making. P-A-I-R-S, pairs. Making pairs. Making pairs. M-A-T-C-H, match. M-A-T-C-H, match. T-H-E, the. P-I-C-T, U-R-E-S, pictures. Pictures. T-H-A-T, that. G-O, go. T-O-G-E, T-H-E-R, together. Match the pictures. Match the pictures that go together. That go together. Okay, now children, here are some examples. Okay, so these are the examples, but what we are going to do, we are going to match those objects which are goes together. Like example, if you will see, which picture is this? What is this? Eraser. Very good. And here what it is? This is pencil or pen? Pencil. Because after writing the pencil, if we do some mistakes, right? So from the help of eraser we erase, right? So eraser and pen. Sorry, eraser and pencil. These are in a pair. Okay. Now next, come to this picture. What is this? Can you see that? What it is? Shoes. Yes. Now shoes are here. So along with shoes, what we wear? Before shoes, what we wear? Here is socks, this is a plate, this is a ball, and these are the threads. So children, tell me, with the shoes what we wear? Yes, socks. Very good. So take your pencil and scale, keep it in a slanting way, and you have to join it. Okay. Have you joined, all of you? Yes. Same. Eraser and pencil. Eraser and pencil. Shoe and socks. Shoes and socks. Okay. Now come to next picture. Can you see this? What it is? Yes. What it is? Needle. What we call? Needle. Okay. So which pair will come with which pair will come with needle? Needle के साथ क्या जाएगा? Plate जाएगा, ball जाएगा और this threads. Yes, with the needle what we do? Yes, हम लोग needle लेके क्या करते हैं? Stitching, we stitch our clothes, right? So with this needle we use this threads. What? Threads. Okay, so you have to join here. Say needle and threads. Needle and threads. Yes, needle and threads. Now afterwards, which picture is this? This is a cup. This is a cup. Yes. Now with this, which pair can go? Will you tell me, children? Cup के साथ क्या जाएगा? Ball जाएगा या dish जाएगी? Yes, very good. Cup and dish. Cup and dish. Okay. Now you have to match it. Say cup and dish. Completed? Yes. Now which picture is this? This is a ball or bat? Bat. Very nice. With the bat what goes? Ball. Yes. Now say eraser and pencil. Shoes and socks. Needle and threads. Needle and threads. Cup, dish. Cup and dish. Bat and ball. Bat, ball. Okay? Till here have you completed? I'll just wait for a second. I hope you have completed till here. Now come to page number 6 to 62. Yes, have you opened this page, all of you? Okay. Now what is there in this page? Making pairs. Match the things that go together. Okay? Match the things that go together. What we are going to do is, here are some things. There we are going to match along with those objects, along with the picture that goes together. Okay. Now children, tell me, in column A, what is this? This is a bird. This is a raincoat. This is a brush. And this is a television. And what is this? This is a cap. Okay. Now children, this is a bird. Now bird belongs to which picture in this? In column B, this is a remote. This is a muffler. This here, if you will see, it is raining. In the next picture, if you will see here, these are the eggs. Okay. And where are the eggs? In this nest. And what is this? This is a toothpaste. Yes, paste. Now see, this is a bird. Belongs to which picture? Remote, muffler, raining, or this is nest and toothbrush, toothpaste. So this picture is belong to this nest. Can you see these dots? Take your scale and keep it in a slanting way, and you have to match it. Okay? With the scale, with the help of the scale, you have to complete that. Okay? Okay children, now come to next picture. Yes, what is this? This is a raincoat or sweater? Raincoat. So in which season we use this raincoat? In rainy season or summer season? Rainy season. So here if you will see, here raining. In this picture, if in column B, here in this picture it is raining, right? So raincoat, and in column B In this picture it is raining, so we have to match it. Afterwards, which picture is this? This is a brush. Very good. So brush belongs to which picture? This is a toothpaste, this is a muffler, and this is a remote. So where we are going to join this? Yes, very good. So brush and toothpaste. Okay. Next picture. Which picture is this? Television, TV, right? So television belongs to muffler or remote? Yes, remote. Very nice. So you have to match it. Okay. Next picture. This is cap. So cap goes with this muffler. Okay. So you have to join here. Till here, have you completed, all of you? Same. Bird and nest. Raincoat, in rainy season we use. So raincoat and rainy season. Come on, say. Brush and toothpaste. TV with remote. Cap and muffler. Okay. Now children, take your workbook, take your literacy workbook and come to page number 2424. Okay, so children, I hope you have opened page number 2424. Okay, so here is one worksheet which is match the things that go together. Okay, now take your pencil and scale. M-A-T-C-H, match. Repeat after teacher. T-H-E-the. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-A-T, that. G-O, go. T-O, G-E, T-H-E-R. Together. Match the things that go together. Okay. Now children, this is a bulb, this is a spoon, this is a pant, this is a hair, this is a web. Okay. Now come to this side. This is a shirt, this is a lamp, this is a fork spoon, this is a spider, and this is a comb. Now what we are going to do this here we are going to match the objects with go together. Now B-U-L-B, bulb. Bulb goes with, bulb किसके साथ जाएगा? शर्ट के साथ जाएगा क्या? No. लैम्प के साथ जाएगा? Yes. So take your scale in a slanting way and you have to match it. Okay. Yes. Now come to next picture. Which picture is this? S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Spoon goes with shirt. Then fork. Very nice. So you have to match here. Yes. This picture. Which picture is this? Pants. What is the spelling of pants? P-A-N-T-S. Pants. Pants goes with spider. Then comb. Then shirt. Yes, very good. You have to match it. Okay. Till here have you completed, all of you? Next. Which picture is this? H-A-I-R, hair. So we comb our hair, right? With the help of comb. So here is the picture of comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Okay. Next. W-E-B, web. Web and spider. Because spider कहाँ क्या करता है? Spider creates this web. है ना? Okay. Now repeat after teacher. B-U-L-B, bulb. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Can you see, children, this here double O sound, long sound. Okay, next P-A-N-T-S, pants. H-A-I-R, hair. W-E-B, web. Come to this side. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. L-A-M-P, lamp. F-O-R-K, fork. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. C-O-M-B, comb. Say bulb and lamp, spoon and fork, pants and shirt, hair and comb, web with spider. Okay, I'll just wait for 2-3 seconds. I hope you have completed till here. Yes, so children, I hope you have completed till here, page number 24. Yes, so children, here we have completed making pairs, this content, and I hope you understand this content. Okay, so there are some more content in literacy and phonics skill book which we are going to read, which we are going to learn in coming sessions. Till then, take care. Thank you.